Well, hello everyone. I challenge you to take a look at your RV keys and see if you have this key here, CH751. Now this key here goes to our storage on our RV. So it opens up all the storage compartments. It's used for the outdoor shower and the miscellaneous doors we have on the outside. Well, CH751, that's the actual code of how this key is cut. And you know what? Most RVs have this key. Why the RV companies did this, I'm not sure. Save money, whatever. But my key can open up your RV storage compartments, just like your key can open up my storage compartments. Now, the door key's a little better. It's coded also, but I didn't like that. So I went and picked up a bunch of these, the tube type tumbler keys, and I'm going to change out all of my CH751 locks with these tumblers. Are they a much better security? Nah, not really, but I don't want someone else's RV storage key to come over to my RV and open my storage. So this one's just going to give us that slight extra bit of security to make it that much harder for someone to just get inside of our RV. So I'm going to go ahead and install these and let you see what they look like. So this is what my storage doors look like before I change out the locks. They have this, just a standard twist tumbler type of latch really, and then it's got the other key style lock on there. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock those, and I'm going to change them to these other tumblers that I have for more security. All right, now there's the tumbler. As you can see, pretty much goes right back in that hole that was there. We still have the latch. I may one day make these both tumbler locks instead of the latch key, but I didn't order enough of these locks. But they're pretty easy. Get the key, turn it in, turn the other one, storage is open. So, and as you can see, they're pretty easy to install. It's just a one bolt, and then you pick, there comes with two of these kind of style. There's the ones that just straight, or there's one like this that's bent that lets you move it either way. But mine already had these bent ones on them, and that's the size that needs to be there. So, and that's it. They're very simple to install. And now I have storage locks that are not like everyone else's. This makes it very unlikely that my neighbor or the person parked down the street is going to have the same key to open up my storage. So just a nifty little change. Doesn't cost very much. They're pretty cheap. I'll put a link down below to the locks that I bought. All right, if this video was helpful, please like the video. That's giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. That's clicking the little red button down below the video that says subscribe. It's absolutely free, and it helps get my channel some more visibility when you subscribe. All right, everyone. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.